Hello?
Hi there, can you open this door please? I just wanted to make sure it was okay. There just seemed to be something going on here.
What do you mean?
I just figured I'd check on something.
Dude, I don't know what you want. Get out of my house.
Where's your butterfinger, huh?
What?
Where's your butterfinger, huh? What's in there?
Bro. If you don't
Open
leave...
fucking door. Open it or else I'm breaking it down. Do you hear me?
Leave my house. You don't.
Are you okay?
Your door is taken. What? Everyone's okay. What do you want? Can you leave my house, please?
Can you open the door, please?
You have nothing to do with my house. Can you leave my house?
Do you know what my name is?
I don't know who you are. You don't belong in this neighborhood. That's for sure.
This is my neighborhood, though.
Yeah, I live there. I don't know you.
My name is Kius Merksman, motherfather. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the door right amazingly fucking now.
Now,
or I will fucking end you and your goanimate account forever get terminated.
do the words opening my word books.
Fucking excuse me, door.
Open the fucking door. No, 660. Your fucking package.